Good morning from Cambodia, from the capital of Cambodia, Penh. As this country, the population is about 19 million, and the most practicing religion in this country is Buddhism. As this country is about 101,035 kilometers big. As when I look at this city, especially the capital city, it's so busy. I was thinking like the population of this country may be about about like 100 million or something, but like the population is really less, so it's about 16-17 million. It's not much. So today we're gonna walk on the street of Cambodia and to find out more about the life in this country and how is things, the price and the food and the culture of this country. So let's go and find out more. Right now I'm on the street, which is all of the nightlife and the party happening at night. So this street around me, so where is the main square of like nightlife when the party kicks off at night. So it's just when you come at night here, nightlife is different. So it looks quiet now, but at night it's really busy, and there's a lot of people, crowd of people around here partying, drinking. There's loads of ladies as well around here. So this area is called Sangkat Pashar. Sangkat Pashar Chas, which is the area of the clubs or nightlife, the party, bars, drinking. So when you come at night here, outside all of these bars, you see like hundreds of ladies. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Yeah.
What are you? Who are you? Are you a tourist guide?
What?
Are you a tourist guide?
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English?
Yeah.
So you're saying I want to go there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, no, thanks very much, yeah?
Around here, one hour.
No, it's okay. Thanks very much, yeah? I love you, yeah? I love you. Right over there is just where is all of the nightlife, the party happening at night. And this is the river, which is like right next to it as well. And this place at night, a lot of people walking, so you can have fun around here. And that's the river, that's another side of the river. And it's like about maybe, 2 hours you can, walk just next to the river at night, and it's warm. And a lot of things happening here at night as well. And have a good time. Yeah, you can get one of these boats. Obviously you buy the ticket. Looks like they got a Chinese flag and Cambodian flag. There might be, that boat might be going to China. And so you can hire a boat from here to go to some of the island as well. And even you can hire a boat from here, get a ticket to go to Phnom from here as well. Right now it's lunchtime, so as you can hear the azan, whereas Muslim people practicing religion, you can hear it, like what I mean by that is just people all mix different religion in this country. There is a man from over the road, he's keep calling me. He said come here. I don't know what he wants, so he's keep like waving at me. He said hello, my friend.
Yeah, vacation.
How are you?
My friend. My friend.
How are you? What's your name? Subwan.
Yeah.
And what's your name? Ki.
Yeah, brother. Oh, Cambodia.
Yeah, Cambodia. I love Cambodia.
Yeah.
What you guys doing?
Yeah. Wow.
Are you copying me? Like you wearing your sunglasses?
Yeah,
Oh,
good.
Very good now. I think he's gonna, make himself more stylish to look nice. Oh my God! Oh la la! I like it. I like it. Yes, this man. Salute, salute. My friend, what you doing here?
Yeah.
What is it?
Ticket, brother.
Ticket for what?
Siem Reap. Gula agency. Siem Reap, Senukville, Phnom Penh.
Good luck, energy. All right.
Bangkok, Ho Chi Minh.
So how much?
Where you going?
I don't know.
Siem Reap, $10. Senukville, $10.
What is it in there? Just good luck energy. All right, okay. So, yeah, man.
Man.
Yeah. What's happening?
No, man.
How's life actually? How's life?
No, guy.
No, how's life? Life good? Good?
Good.
Yeah, life is good?
Cambodia?
Yeah.
No. No speak English.
I'm asking him how's life here?
What?
I'm asking him how's life here? Life.
Motorbike. Motorbike. Driver.
Oh, motorbike, yeah. Right, okay guys, nice to meet you, yeah? My friend. My friend, nice to meet you, yeah? See you later. So let's go. So I think it's just selling tickets for like a boat ride.
Not.
Nothing. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name Nay.
May.
Yeah.
May, what you doing?
I'm driver tuk-tuk.
Tuk.
I bring the customer here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how's life?
What?
How's life? Life. How's life? How's everything? Everything good?
I'm not easy.
Not easy.
Yeah, not.
It's not easy everywhere.
Yeah, sure.
Not
because
just here.
I'm sorry because me no stay at Phnom Penh.
Okay.
I stay in Kanda province.
All right.
From here go to Kanda province and 50 kilometer.
50 kilometers.
50.
Yeah, you travel every day.
Yeah.
Oh.
And this morning I get up and 4 this morning.
Yeah.
I go to the Phnom Penh only one way 2 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe
so everyone has to work hard this day, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because maybe an afternoon.
Uh-huh.
Someday I have the customer. Someday I don't have customer. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because afternoon maybe I go back home and maybe 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm not sure. Maybe 5
Yeah.
sometime. Yeah.
Yeah, so nice to meet you, yeah?
Yeah. Nice to meet
Okay.
you. Where do you come from?
Me, I come from England.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Nice Bird, you very friendly. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, yeah?
So right now, where do you want to go?
I'm just walking.
You don't like tuk-tuk?
No, because I just want to walk, you see. You know?
Oh,
Too much
you like tuk-tuk?
tuk-tuk riding, you know?
No have customer, but you have me, I have the customer.
Yeah.
I have work. Yeah, I have work.
Nice to meet you, yeah?
You have me only one way, go around city.
No, I don't want, I want to walk. Thanks very much, yeah? I love you.
Oh, my friend.
Aye, but yeah.
But,
Wow, daytime?
yeah. Maybe
Why they come out daytime?
I don't know because maybe 15 years also live here. They live here.
Wow. Guys, this tree is full of bats.
Full of bat.
Yeah. Wow, look at them. They just all
Fruit flying bird.
yeah, just all of them hanging down.
Eat the tree. Eat the not eat the on the tree.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Yeah.
Right, brother. See you later, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Oh, you video.
Yeah?
You video.
Yeah, video. Microphone. As I'm very thirsty, I need a sugar cane juice. And they're selling right here. And I think I'm gonna, hello, can I have one please? Thank you. How are you? You good, yeah? You good, yeah? What's your name? What's your name?
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you, my friend. Hello. You okay? No, thank you. Oh, there's a baby sleeping here. Look, there are babies sleeping here. So the lady and the man working as a working hard people. Look, they got their baby here, and they're eating food and working as well at the same time. Very good. I like people who work hard. Ready? Right, let's see. How much, please?
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 3,000. This 1,000 is for you. Okay? And this is for you, baby.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thanks very much, yeah? Thank you. Bye bye. Let's sit outside this temple and have a dish sugar cane juice, and it's really warm as well. Just relax here. Oh man, this tastes so good. So right now I'm inside the temple. As you can see, people are just here praying. In here as well, just I can see a lot of people. They just burning those kind of candle, and they're praying. So when you come here, you got to take your shoes off, and then there's oranges everywhere and burning candles. It's so busy. I'll be honest with you, I don't even know what's going on here. Let's go out. In here, when you come, you buy one of these little birds. Look at how small they are, and then you buy them for $1 and then you let them go. So that's what I'm gonna do. Come on, give me one bird. So I'm gonna buy one of these and let it go, and then I will pay him $1. Can I? Oh, it's just gone. I pay you now, okay?
Who?
Hmm?
Who?
No, one. One is enough, man. I can't afford.
Okay.
There you go, $1, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. At least I let one bird out of the cage. Thank you. Ooh. Bye-bye. In this little back street, I'm walking. Everything goes on here as well. People hanging clothes, wash clothes around to both sides as well. They're just sitting around in the street. Hello, how are you? Hello everyone. Hello. Hello, guys. You're having a good time, yeah? Good. Oh, hello. How are you? Little boy, what's your name? There's small kitchens as well around here. Just people selling fish here and peeling. Hello. Hello. You okay? Peeling cucumber. Hello, my friend. How are you? Yeah, people just sleeping here as well down the side of the road. They're not bothered. Yeah, this man right here selling dumpling. Hello, my friend. How are you? You good, yeah? What's this? What's inside? Just rice. Right. Okay, I'm gonna have some of this, maybe. Just eat one. Let's see how it tastes. The street food. Can I have one? How much?
1,000.
Huh?
1,000.
1,000?
Okay.
Get one, please. What they do, they cut it for you in a little pieces. So it's a rice and some of this veg. No sauce, no, thank you. No. Let me have this on the street right here. As I know, it's really hot, I think. Just been fried. It's very good. I like it. So as I finished my food, it's been really nice and tasty. And let's see how much is that going to be. How much is going to cost you. My friend, how much?
How much?
1,000, yeah? So I've got only 10,000. There you go. Thank you. Thanks so much, yeah, for being an interpreter. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So this costs you 1,000 here. Right, let's see what this lad is cooking just on the side of the street, just right here on the main road. He's frying, I think, rice, and he's got some more stuff on display. So let's maybe eat something here with him. As the chef look really professional as well, and I know he's doing like his job right. Look at the way he's just stirring that rice and beef. So he put some fried beef fries for me. Can you get one egg as well? Just this one at the back. Yeah, thank you. So I'm gonna get one egg as well.
One egg.
Yeah. Have you got anything like spoon, fork, and they bring me some sauce as well? Yeah, sauce, yeah. So you're gonna pour some sauce as well for me? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's it, mate. Thank you. Let's go and eat. Oh man, tastes so nice. Life is so beautiful. Let's pour this sauce on it as well. As I finish my rice fried with beef, and let's have some soup on top as well. Oh, as the weather is really hot, and let's look at this chunk of vegetable. Thanks very much, my friend. This is in the bin, please. And how much?
6,000 riyal.
6,000.
Yes.
So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. That's, oh, make it easy. 5,000, 6,000.
Thank you.
Thanks very much, my friend. Yeah, the food has been really nice. Nice. Thank you. See you later. Akun. Buy these 3 kids an ice cream. So we give them one of each. How much? How much one?
1,500.
1,500. This is for this. Yeah. No. Take that money. Give us ice cream. Oh, there's so more people joining in, so there's another 2 coming. No, keep it. Keep it, ma. Keep it. Wait, I buy ice cream for you. Yeah. So give another one to her. Yeah. Now who's left? You, yeah? There you go. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Huh? Yeah, give these two as well. So give one each. So another two join in. So I have to buy them ice cream as well. So 5 people ice cream. Let's see how much it's gonna cost. 1,525. So roundabouts. Maybe 7,500. Okay. You give him, yeah. The ice cream man is just doing his best to do as fast as possible 5 ice cream, but his scoop is really small. Pour someone his as well. There you go. There you go. That's it. There you go. Bye bye. Oh, you go work. Not you, kids only. You're too big, you know. Look at this man. He come as well. He said, "Buy me an ice cream." You know, it's I don't buy him an ice cream. No, just the kids. You know.
Where are you from?
I come from England. England. Yeah. Thanks very much, my friend. Thank you. You buy for yourself. Hello.
Hello,
You okay, smiley lady? What's your name?
my name you.
You. Nice to meet you, yeah? Bye bye. Let's go down, see what else we can find on the street. Hello. Hello, my friend. You okay? Good, good. Hello. Everybody is just everywhere selling something. Wow. Hello. Look at these grapes. Oh my God. Look at this. How nice is this? 1 kilo. This one, lady said. I come back, yeah? I come back. Oi. Hello. It's them kids. Look at the street. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You okay, my friend? How are you?
How are you?
What's your name?
What's your name? My name is Ned.
Nate. Nate, nice to meet you, yeah? What you selling? Oh, nice.
Ned.
Very nice. I come back, okay? See you later. Hello. Lady, how are you? Yeah, man, it's just busy. Hello, my friend. Oh, hello, lady. You're first.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem, no problem. On the street eating. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, hello. Very busy street. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Hi. Say hi to the camera. I'm going to get a coffee from this shop and sit here for a bit as well because my camera is overheated, and the coffee in here is lovely. Honestly, I love it so much. Iced coffee. Hello, lady. How are you? Oh, I'm talking the one at the back. I'm talking to her, yeah. Yeah. You see everybody in Cambodia smiling, happy. You can see, they are really nice, especially ladies. Just sitting here on the side of the road in this coffee shop, having this iced coffee. Oh man, so nice, really nice. She's very pretty. She's beautiful. Is she No problem. Is she single or not? Is she single or not? Yeah, will she marry me? Yes or not? Oh, she's got husband. No good. I'm looking for wife, you know. I'm looking for wife. So she's not gonna divorce her husband for me? Let me translate for you. Ask her if she's gonna divorce her husband to marry me. Okay, thanks very much. Thank you. How much, please? $1, yeah? How much is in real, in money? 4,000, yeah? So the coffee costs you 4,000, and this is 4,000. There you go. Thanks very much. Thank you. Okay. Do you want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. See you later. I'll put my coffee in the bean as well. Enter it inside this restaurant for some reason. So just let's just walk off the road because it's hello, musician, come on, start drumming. Start singing. Bye bye. So I think I was entering in the wedding hall. Right, I end up in this market, and this market is very busy. And look at this walking path; it's so small as well, and everyone is just busy here as well, doing something. You're doing like the usual daily life, and so busy. Hello, hello, hello. Everyone, I keep saying hello, no one responding back. Hello, hello, she did. Hello. So 1 out of 10. Hello. 1 out of 10 responding back to me is to say hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, beautiful ladies. Oh, the CC, they're not responding. They're not like maybe having a good day. Hello, can you do my hair?
Yes.
How much? Can you do extension for me?
$3.
$3. You're gonna put new hair for me? Wow, very cheap. I come back, okay? Thank you. Hello, smiley lady. You okay? Hello. Yeah, so hello. Oh my God, so busy. Especially the hair is hello, 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 hello. Oh my God, squeeze through. Sorry, 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 everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Smile. Hello, lady. How are you? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, good. Oh my God, this market is so busy. Hello, everyone okay? Good, good. Are you okay, lady? Hello, lady, you okay? Hello, hello, grandma, you okay? Hello, my friend.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Smile.
Smile.
Right?
Huh?
That's Smile.
That's Smile.
Red Smile, yes.
Rasmai.
Yeah.
Rasmai, why are you wearing pink?
Because it's my uniform. My
Oh,
company.
uniform logo, yeah? Look nice to you. Hello. You okay? Why are you running away from me? Am I scary? Can I squeeze through? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. I don't know where I am now. This is freaking Nightmare, look at what's going on here. Why did I end up here? Gosh. Hello everyone. No one responds. Hello. You okay, lady? Oh my goodness. So busy here. Hello everyone. Everyone is just working. Oh my god. Where the hell I am? Hello everyone. Everybody okay? Good, good. Bloody hell, this is ridiculous. Something is going on around this corner, every corner. Hello, hello everyone. Hello my friend. My friend, you okay? How are you? You good? You good, yeah? Hello lady. Oh gosh. This market is so busy. Hello. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. Let's squeeze in this tight corner. Let's see what's going on in this corner. Hello lady. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hello. 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 Can I have some food? Can I have something? Eat. Yeah?
Finish.
Finish.
I have only banana.
Can I have one banana?
Yeah, okay. That's fine.
Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Or let's go sit next to this lady. Let's see what they're doing. I'm just joking. I'm not gonna eat banana. Can I sit here?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm so tired.
Yeah.
How are you? Let's put this camera here.
Look, you lie, I'm shy.
You're running away.
No, I'm shy.
Why are you shy? There's nobody, it's just me. You see me here, I'm here, that's a camera. Are you shy? Oh gosh, that's no good.
Tourist?
Yeah,
How long you stay here?
I'm staying here for a month.
Oh.
Yeah, just seeing how is Cambodia. Are you married or single?
Already have boyfriend.
Oh, I was looking for a wife.
Huh?
I was looking for a wife.
From here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you can find. So
Yeah,
many
that's why I'm asking you. You know, I said maybe you are single. We can get married. You know, clothes. Look, we got every clothes here you can wear. I buy. We get married. No. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for being very good. Thank you. Bye bye. And these little shops. Hello. Hello everyone. Good, yeah. Very good, ladies. Okay. This market is so big. I'm just lost in the middle. Hello. Basically, I'm just lost. I don't know what way I can get out of this market. Hello. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Hello. 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 It's mostly, you know, in this market, it's mostly ladies. There's not, barely I see a man, so. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Why are you laughing? Hello. 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 Tyler, you okay? You good, yeah? You good, yeah? Good, good. Very good. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello, mate.
She's really like, hello. How are you guys? You good, yeah? You good? Very good. Let me give you something. Give you some gift. Give you some gift. Let me give you some gift. Let me see where has my money gone. I can give you some money if I have. Oh, I lost my money, look like. Oh, there you go. No problem. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good girl. So sweet. So sweet. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello everybody. Look, kitchen here, the cooking, ladies eating, all ladies, no man. No man allowed? Can I sit here and eat? Oh, no response. Okay. Hello. Oh, you're so smiley. I like it. Happy, look, she's so happy. You do know. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? No? She's not allowing me to sit next to her. Okay. Oh, they're selling dry mushroom here as well. Hello. Hello. Hello, Grandma. How are you? Hello. Oh, I think I'm lost. Ladies, I'm lost. Hello, my friend. Hello, everyone. Okay? You good, yeah? Smile. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, just find my way out of the market now. Woo! Hello, my friend. You okay? Only outside the market as man is shop. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Fine.
You good, yeah?
Right.
What's your name?
My name Ray.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? Nice to meet you. And what's his name?
Yeah.
His name?
Mình chui đi. Ta tự có.
Tatika. Oh, you?
Sọc. Sọc bòi.
Tapawi.
Sọc bòi.
Nice to meet you guys, yeah?
Yeah.
I love you all.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, ladies. Everyone okay? Good, good, good. Why she's sleeping? Wake up. Shh. Wake up. She's so sleepy, tired. Hello, my friend. How are you? You good, yeah? Very good. Hello, ladies. Hello, my friend. How are you? Very good, my friend. Very good. Exchange your money. Hello. You okay? You good, yeah? Everyone is so smiley, honestly. I love it. I love it. Everyone is just smiling, you know, happy. Hello, my friend. You good, yeah? You good? Yeah. Very good. My friend, you good as well? What's your name?
My name Mr. Cha.
Mr. Cha.
Mr. Cha.
Mr. Cha.
Mr. Cha.
Mr. Cha.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Hello, Grandma. You okay? Shake hand. Don't be scared, okay? Good. Hello, Mr. Tuk Tuk Man. You okay, my friend? This one is busy. Hello, lady. Shake hand. Oh, nice to meet you. So I'm right next to this tuk tuk driver. I've got his thingy for the police. So I'm going to ring the police for the police to come and arrest him. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Can you come and arrest this tuk tuk driver, please? Thank you. See you later, yeah? Thank you. Nice to meet you, my friend. Look at guys, they sell all sort of. Oh, this is a spider, honestly. It is. Hello, you okay? They sell all sorts of bugs and flies, barbecue. Right, I'm gonna have some of this seafood today, which looks really nice and delicious. So she's just cooking right here, and let's ask her what she's gonna do. Hello, Kaya. Can I have some, please?
One.
Can I have Yeah, like two of these, two. And can I have maybe one of these as well? Yeah. Yeah, can you cook it for me, yeah? So they're gonna cook it with the charcoal right here as well. You know, like one thing I realize, it's all of the kitchen is quite similar, so it's all the same. So it's my last day in Cambodia. I want to thank every single Cambodian people being so nice, and you know, so like I'm so grateful to be here. And from here tomorrow I'm gonna go to Vietnam, and so it's my last day here. I want to get treated with a nice, lovely seafood and the nice, beautiful people as well, smiling always. She's gonna bring some salad and some sauce. My food is coming, so look at what I've ordered. So I've ordered this, and let's go for it and eat. Right, let's start. I don't know anything. What I'm gonna eat this with my finger. Just go with the finger. So you open the shell of the prawn, shrimp, and then so it's honestly, I just eat the way I like. Guys, don't judge me, you know, because I don't know, like, how am I gonna eat this seafood? The first bite. Really good. So maybe they're laughing at me the way I'm eating my seafood, because they might eat on a different way. But I do with my style, with my finger. Guys, this is the biggest one. Look at this. Dip it in this spicy sauce. Yo, all gone. Can I get some drink? Can I get some drink? Some drink. Yeah. Yeah, sugar cane, please. Yeah. Legs everywhere, bones everywhere. The way I eat, it's just, I think. So have I asked for the drink as well, because you know, this needs something on top to wash the food down. Sugar cane. It's a natural organic juice. 100% the way you like. Right, I finished all my food. Let's go and see how much this is gonna cost us. How much, please? $25. $25, yeah? So this will cost you $25. Let me see how much I've got in change. There you go. I haven't got any like 20, otherwise. What's that? That one, yeah? So how much? Is that 100,000? No, give me smaller. Okay, yeah. Thanks so much, yeah? Thank you. Thank you. The food has been nice, yeah? Thank you. So as I said, this was my last day in Cambodia, and honestly I will appreciate these people. It's been the most loveliest people in the world. They are the most nice and loveliest people in the world. I want to thank every Cambodian for being so nice to me. And as I said, tomorrow I'm gonna go to Vietnam, but I'm gonna miss these people. So I wanna say thanks to every one of you who subscribed to my channel and watched my video as well. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like and share the video as well. And I will see you guys on the next video.